This is our heavy-duty wire drawing machine. It can draw up to 8 millimeters thick metal wire. We got fully speed control system here. Speed of each roller can be controlled individually by using this dial here. It comes with liquid lubrication system here. This is where you set the dials. Each drawer you can set up to 2 dials at the same time, or you can use 1 dial individually. This is the pump control. I haven't had any wires in it yet. Emergency start. If anything happens, you can either use this button to stop the machine, or you can use this step, press it, which will allow you to stop the machine as well. Maximum speed. Input wire goes through the dial and then coiled into this coil here, which you can repeat the process using this dial here.
This is speed control for wire take-up device.
Đi cao miệng cái đá này đi. Nè, qua đó. Cao miệng cái đó. Cao miệng đó nè.
是不是讲他们撸啊？
It's a beautiful night. We're looking for something dumb to do. Hey baby, I think I wanna marry you. Is it the look in your eyes, or is it the on the boulevard we can go? No one will know. Oh come on. If we're trash, got a pocket full of